Here we are at this Key West designed home on the end of a cul-de-sac in the Arbors. All the streets are lined with oak trees. We're at the end of a cul-de-sac here. This is a pie-shaped lot that has a really good size side yard and backyard. And the lake is over there, so everything looks out to the lake. And you have a big porch out front. Nice for just sitting and relaxing. Once inside, you have a large, great room with 10-foot ceilings. In the front, you have this office, which could also be a bedroom because it does have a closet. And it goes out with French doors to the porch as well, and you have French doors leading into the office. Over here is the dining room, which also has double doors out to the porch area. Coming over this way, you have two more bedrooms. Bedroom number 2 here also has a view of the lake. Big enough for 2 beds. And this bathroom also looks out to the lake. The 3rd bedroom, good size. And it has a door directly to the pool. Love the bar stool area here, looking out into a really large kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and you have a lovely stone backsplash. I like this extra cabinet over here because it has extra storage area. Laundry room is spacious with a tub and a window. Always like that. You have plenty of pantry space here. You have big pantry plus these extra cabinets here. I like when you're at the sink area, you've got a view of everything going on. This breakfast room is lovely. It has a great view of the pool with that big, large window. Doesn't get any better than that. Then into the master bedroom. Plenty of light. You have that bay window over there. Nice door out to the patio. You can see the pool. Then you have the master bath. Double vanities, big tub, and shower. You also have a wall of closets. That wall goes all the way through, so it's a big closet. And then you have a walk-in closet here, which is spacious. Going out to the pool, you have hurricane shutters all around the house and a spacious patio that's covered. Nice waterfall off the spa. The best thing about this pool is it has a lovely view of the lake. Really nice. What a way to enjoy the Florida lifestyle.